Across large conservation facilities like this, golden pheasants are raised, protected, and managed at scale.
Rather than being processed, each bird is carefully assessed, cleaned, and monitored to ensure long-term health and genetic stability. In carefully controlled hatcheries, new life emerges, each chick representing another step toward preserving this remarkable species.
After hatching, the chicks remain in warming trays while their down fully dries and their strength stabilizes.
Each chick is briefly observed to confirm vitality and healthy development. Once grouped, the chicks are gently transferred into nursery crates designed for warmth and airflow.
Within hours, the chicks are moved into carefully controlled nursery habitats designed to support early growth and survival.
Upon entering the brooder aviary, the chicks begin adapting to their new environment with warmth and space to explore.
Localized heat zones provide comfort, mimicking the protection chicks would receive in the wild.
In large conservation nurseries, hundreds of chicks grow together under carefully managed conditions.
As they grow, down gives way to feathers, and their bodies rapidly change.
Social interactions begin early, shaping hierarchy and behavior.
Oblongs. Curiosity is a clear indicator of health and confidence.
Automated feeding ensures balanced nutrition while minimizing stress.
Feeding systems are designed to distribute nutrition evenly across the entire habitat.
Continuous airflow regulates temperature and air quality, keeping conditions stable and healthy.
As males mature, they perform vivid displays to signal strength and attract mates.
At peak activity, the habitat becomes a living mosaic of movement and color.
Color intensity and feather posture reveal mood and social status.
Nutrition is one of the biggest commitments in conservation care. Specialized blends are delivered regularly to support healthy growth and long-term survival.
Conservation facilities are often built away from dense traffic to reduce stress, limit disease exposure, and protect sensitive breeding programs. Conservation facilities are often built away from dense traffic to reduce stress, limit disease exposure, and protect sensitive breeding programs.
Strict biosecurity protocols help protect the birds from pathogens. Every entry is controlled, disinfected, and logged. With full adult plumage, males enter their breeding season, when genetics, health, and habitat design matter most.
During breeding season, teams carefully manage pairings and habitat access to reduce stress and protect genetic diversity.
Every move is logged. Identity, health checks, and pairing decisions are tracked to protect welfare and long-term genetic outcomes. Transport routes are planned to be short and direct, minimizing stress while moving rescued birds of prey between protected habitats. Transport routes are planned to be short and direct, minimizing stress while moving rescued birds of prey between protected habitats.
Upon arrival, birds enter a low-stress acclimation zone designed to help them adjust gradually. Controlled transition zones allow birds to adapt safely to new temperature, light, and sound conditions.
Release is gradual and supervised, ensuring every bird enters the habitat calmly and safely.
Cooling and hydration features help birds regulate body temperature after transport.
Health assessments are visual and non-invasive, focusing on movement, posture, and behavior. Health assessments are visual and non-invasive, focusing on movement, posture, and behavior.
Continuous monitoring ensures each bird meets strict welfare and conservation standards. Once settled, the birds resume natural behaviors, marking the completion of a carefully managed conservation journey.
After recovery, birds are guided back into shared habitat zones without direct handling.
Automated systems monitor posture, temperature, and movement to flag any health concerns early. Digital verification ensures every bird meets strict welfare benchmarks. Specialized diets are prepared on-site to match seasonal and physiological needs. Supplies are distributed across habitats to ensure consistent access without crowding.
With care complete, the daily conservation cycle continues, focused on health, stability, and long-term survival.
Climate chambers allow birds to gradually adapt to seasonal temperature changes without shock.
Diet formulations are continuously refined to match age, season, and breeding condition. Automated systems fine-tune airflow and humidity to replicate natural seasonal conditions. Habitat sealing minimizes external stress while maintaining fresh air and natural light cycles. Ongoing research ensures long-term health, genetic diversity, and resilience. Water is treated and reused within the facility, completing a closed-loop conservation cycle. Nothing is discarded. Organic material from habitat maintenance is recycled through sustainable systems. Controlled bioprocessing converts waste into nutrient-rich compost used to restore surrounding habitats. Regular sanitation cycles maintain a healthy environment without disturbing the birds. The spiral corridor allows gradual environmental adjustment, reducing stress while maximizing space efficiency.
After acclimation, birds are reintroduced gradually, maintaining social stability.
With conditions stabilized, the habitat enters its long-term care phase, focused on health, balance, and preservation.
Conservation logistics run around the clock to support animal welfare without disruption.
Early morning transfers ensure minimal disturbance and optimal conditions for the birds. In public education centers, visitors learn about the life cycle and conservation of remarkable species like the golden pheasant.
Awareness is the first step toward protecting vulnerable species and their habitats.
Conservation continues beyond institutions. Learning at home shapes future stewards of nature.
The journey does not end with us. Through protection, education, and care, species like the golden pheasant can thrive for generations to come.